Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167. Guess who decided to relay the test for a 6 hour? The Zone Guard did, apparently. Which is unbelievable considering only the WX-167, the 12-260, and these two radios here went off. So we got 5 radios to activate. I was not expecting the Zone Guard to activate, but it did go off for an unrecognized message, which was interesting because I was never expecting the Zone Guard to activate for the test. But sadly, this also did not activate for the test, which...
Sunny. High is 82 to 91.
But yeah, that's basically it.